let me show you how can we scale the image up and down in Microsoft Word, keeping the original aspect ratio. So the trick is not to click at the top or on the right. Let's undo that. We need to stick to the corner one. So select the image and use the white control point at the corner. This one by default, keeping the original aspect ratio, as you can see. The recommended one is actually bottom right corner. It gives us the greatest control. So you can scale it all the way down or all the way back up. If you got a certain size in mind, you can click on the image, head to picture format at the top, and on the right hand side you will see the height and the width of the image. When we got numbers, and we can edit that as well. As you can see, they're locked here, means now we are scaling with the original aspect ratio. If you switch this off, you'll be stretching the image. If you make any mistake in this process, you can always use undo. That's a recommended approach. So we can go back to the proper aspect ratio and be sure this one is selected, must be on. If you want to type something here, like that should be 10 centimeters high, type it in, enter, and you got nicely scaled image. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.